Have you ever picked up a freshly laid egg and noticed red spots or stains on the shell? Today, I will explain exactly why it happens and what you can do about it. So, in this video, we are going to talk about what causes those red spots on the shell, whether the eggs are still safe to eat, and how you can prevent it from happening on your farm. So, what are red spots on eggshells? We are not talking about blood stain inside the egg, we are talking about red or brown stain on the shell of the egg. These red spots are often caused by small ruptures in blood vessels around the hen's vent or reproductive tract during laying. The egg passes through quickly and sometimes a small amount of blood stains the shell. So, what are the common causes? Here are the most common reasons this happens. Number one is stress or rough handling. Hens that are stressed, overcrowded, or handled roughly can develop minor injuries during laying. Another one is vent injuries or pecking. Sometimes other chickens peck the vent area, especially in overcrowded or poorly managed pens. Another one is laying large eggs. When hens lay unusual large eggs, it can stretch the tissues and cause bleeding. Another one is nutritional deficiency. Lack of key vitamins like vitamin K can affect blood clotting and tissue strength. So now, a big question here is it safe to eat? Is it safe for you to eat that type of egg or this type of egg? Yes, in most cases, the egg is perfectly safe to eat. Just make sure you wash off the shell properly before cracking it open. The red stain is only external and does not affect the inside of the egg. So now, how do you prevent this from happening? Here are few tips. Number one tip, ensure enough space. Ensure enough space. Avoid overcrowding to reduce stress and pecking. Another one is maintain clean nesting boxes. Dirty nests can irritate the vent area. Another one is provide balanced nutrition. Feed your chickens a diet rich in calcium, vitamins, and minerals, especially vitamin K and A. Another one is to observe flock behavior. Remove aggressive hens if necessary and reduce excess heat or noise. So the next time you see red spots on your eggshells, you will know it's not a reason to panic. It's usually a sign of stress, minor injury, or nutrition issues. And with the right steps, it is easy to manage. So if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and join the great family. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many videos on my channel. You want to start a poultry farm from scratch, I have so many videos on that. You can check through the channel and I can assure you, you will have your own farm without losses. So see you in my next video. Bye.